The coyote's after you.
In this video, I'm going to show you how I create the Roadrunner.
Roadrunner, the coyote's after you.
For this creation, I'm using Papa's clay.
If he catches you.
These are the materials I'm using for this creation. For the armature, I'm using aluminum wire, aluminum foil, and masking tape to form the shape of the Roadrunner. For the legs, I'm using brown clay to cover the armature. Then I will be carving and sculpting some of the details. Finally, I will be painting some of the leg details using acrylic paint. For the body and tail, I'm covering the armature using light blue clay. Then I will be smoothing the clay using the rubber sculpting tool and will be carving the tail using the metal sculpting tool. For the head and wings, I'm using regular blue clay to cover the armature. Then I will be using the X-Acto knife and the metal sculpting tool to carve the different details. I'm going to be attaching the wings to the body using a small piece of wire, nailing it to the body.
You've seen the truth behind the veil, and you know that they're just looking for attention.
For the eyes, I'm using 2 balls of white clay. Then I'm adding more blue clay to the head, and I'm using clay softener to glue the new clay with the already baked clay. For the beak, I'm using orange clay. First, I bake 2 pieces of clay to create the base for the beak. Then I'm attaching the already baked pieces and adding more orange clay to form the beak. The beak was the hardest part of this creation. To finish, I'm creating the bowl using brown clay, and then I'm creating the bird foot using yellow clay. You can see in the background all the different figures that my son made while I was making the Roadrunner. He is way faster than me. I'm very happy with the results. The figure has some nice details. Let me know in the comment what do you think of it. Should I make the coyote next? Subscribe if you want to see more Looney Tunes.
Roadrunner, the coyote's after you. Roadrunner, if he catches you, you're through.
This was a fun creation. Thank you for watching.